You think you understand the YouTube algorithm? I promise you, you don't. Because in 2026, the algorithm is no longer deciding what to show people. It's deciding who to show people. And if you don't understand this shift, your channel will stay stuck no matter how hard you work. In this video, I'm breaking down the real reason your videos are not blowing up and the exact blueprint for making the algorithm finally push your content. Here is number one. The algorithm no longer pushes videos. It pushes people. Most creators think the algorithm is judging your videos. Wrong. The algorithm is judging your viewers. Here is what that means. YouTube doesn't care if your video is good or bad. It cares about who it thinks will love your video based on their behavior, not your metadata. In 2026, YouTube is basically saying if your content doesn't create a predictable pattern of satisfaction, I can't show it to anyone. This is why you post a video you love and it only gets shown to a tiny pool of people because YouTube hasn't mapped your ideal audience yet. You don't have a content problem, you have a viewer pattern problem. Here is number two, why your videos keep dying after 48 hours. If your views always freeze at the same number, 50, 100, 300, it's not because your content is bad, it's because your viewers clusters are too small. YouTube tests your video in small group. Like number one, your recent viewers, people with similar watch histories, people who like similar content types, strangers with matching viewing behavior. If your video doesn't create a strong signal during tests, group 1 and group B, the algorithm will not expand the reach. That is why your video died. Not because the algorithm hates you, but because your content isn't giving YouTube enough data to know who to push it to. Here is number three, the fix. How to make your videos algorithm friendly in 2026. You are not fighting the algorithm, you are training it. Here is the three things the algorithm loves in 2026. Number one is consistent energies, not consistent topics. People keep hearing niche down. Wrong in 2026. YouTube follows consistency of viewers' emotion, not topic. You can post different topics as long as the tune, the personality, the pacing, the delivering feel like part of the same show. YouTube is pushing creators, not categories. Number two is watch section. The new king of the algorithm, it's not about your video, it's about what viewers do after your video. If your viewers watch you, then watch another of your video, then another, YouTube instantly marks your channel as high satisfaction binge-worthy creator. This is why you need series, squares, follow-up videos, connected topics, callbacks to previous content. The algorithm doesn't want one viral video, it wants a chain reaction. Here is number three, video packaging. Algorithm acceleration in 2026. Packaging matters more than ever. Thumbnails with a clear emotional promise, titles based on curiosity plus contradiction, an intro that locks attention in 1 to 3 seconds, pacing that avoid early drop off, cutoff that match natural viewing rhythm, your content can be fire. But if your packaging is weak, YouTube will never test it on a large audience. Here is section 4, the blueprint to make the algorithm love you in 2026. Here is your step-by-step plan for your next 30 days. Week 1, build viewer pattern. Post 3 videos with the same style, tone, and emotional energy. Go teach the algorithm who your viewers are. Week 2, build watch sections. Create part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 of a mini series. Your goal is to make viewers watch multiple videos back to back. Week 3, create shorts that point to long form. Post 5 shorts connected to your long form topics. Goal is to bring new viewers into your world, into your long form videos. In week 4, community signal boost. Do this: reply to comment fast, use community post, ask questions, use polls, re-engage dormant viewers. Your goal is to build a tight audience cluster the algorithm can rely on. Tell me in the comments which part of the algorithm stresses you the most right now. Reach, retention, or click-through? I'm replying to every comment. So here is my conclusion. The algorithm isn't the enemy. The algorithm isn't blocking you. It's waiting for you. The moment you create predictable viewer satisfaction, strong binge watching patterns, consistent creative energy, YouTube will push you further than you can imagine. You don't need luck. You don't need alignment. If you want to master the new YouTube era and build a brand people binge watch like a TV show, make sure you subscribe, because the next video is going even deeper.